a good week, I guess.
Yeah, wristbands, that guy with that. Good morning. It didn't take one full day before my hair went from dead straight to this craziness. Probably won't stay very straight this entire vacation. I am going to have my, where's it? Coffee on the balcony, and then we're gonna go out for breakfast. We are dressed. The fit. Going to have breakfast, and look at these glasses I got. I love that. We got into the room, got my bathing suit, now we can do some shopping. It is New Year's Eve here, and they had she just handed it to me, so what can I say? We had some jerk chicken from the jerk stand. It was delicious. We also spent a lot of time on the beach, and I can't remember if I filmed any of it, but it was beautiful. So here's some pictures of our beach day. Was it good? I haven't had a sip yet. Now dinner time. Mike found the seafood. Oh, oysters. Wow. The food selection here is amazing tonight. Like, so many options.
can take a picture with all of you. Punta Cana, let me hear you scream! ¿Dónde están los latinos en la casa? I want to do a little tribute for
So I heard it's lucky to eat 12 grapes at New Year's. So here's my 12 grapes. I'm gonna eat them. My grapes, who else will eat their grapes? Eat your grapes!
It's quite the experience.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys. Cheers, everybody. Hope everything works out for everyone. I'm more successful.